If you ever need to replace a vent on a mobile home, which would be maybe possibly one of these are made for venting the bathroom toilets, kitchen sinks, and whatnot. If you ever have to replace one, you can see there's holes around this. You would just take the screws out of the hole, and you will need a bit that will fit what they call a quarter driver. See that bit over there? This is called a quarter driver bit, and that goes in there, and that is the size generally that you will find on your mobile home to remove your old vent, which will be in these holes that go around the vent. So what you're going to want to do is remove them, and you might have a bunch of caulking around them because they leak and this and that and the other. Clear out the caulking, pull them screws out. This vent will pop off. Go to your local mobile home supply store, buy 1 or 2 of these, however many you need, and you're going to need this right here. You're going to need a caulking that will work with EPDM. You can go to Lowe's or Home Depot or any hardware store and probably find something that says EPDM, or you don't actually need EPDM unless you're using on top of an EPDM rubber roof. This is what we're using, so we need this. We take the bottom of that tube and just put that EPDM caulk, because we're going to an EPDM roof. You might could get away with something different, like a neoprene caulking or something like that on a regular mobile home. We're putting it down to a rubber roof, so we have to use EPDM. Once you caulk around the bottom, you just literally go around with your quarter driver and your screws with that little rubber washer on it that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot. Put enough caulking on it and it will squeeze out, which is what you want. Just like that, look at that. Perfect. That's what you're gonna want. You want the caulking to be thick enough so it comes out. There you go. That's how you change a mobile home vent pipe. This is a dryer vent we just replaced. I mean, you can do the same thing with a dryer vent. Pull it off. You can buy that at Lowe's, Home Depot. It has a place to hook your dryer to on the back side of it, or if that's a fart fan in a bathroom or a kitchen fan, doesn't matter. They're all done the same. Take the screws out, which are generally going to be either a quarter driver or a 5/16 bit. It's usually the two, a quarter or 5/16 bit. Pull your screws out, pop it off, caulk the hell out of it underneath, and put it right back in with some more quarter driver screws. Buy them at Lowe's too. You can buy everything here at Lowe's. Piece right there, the screws, the caulking, everything you need. Same thing here, I bought that at Lowe's. This one here, I believe, is hooked to the stove. Bathroom fan. It's a bathroom fan, right there.
Kitchen right here?
No, actually, the kitchen's over there. So this is the bathroom fart fan, whatever you call it. We finished last week, and this is how we finished off the porch to the house. We ran the rubber from the porch up, and we cut it off right here when it ran this rubber over, and then put a turn bar. Turned out great. This thing's laying down better and better too.
Yeah.
The sun hits it. Good.
Sure.
The process of putting this on is basically the same thing as putting it, taking it off. You just taking the screws out before you lift it off. In this case, you're putting it down, putting the screws in with plenty of caulking underneath. These are easy to install and easy to find at any one of your local mobile home supply store. And if you have a leak on your mobile home, you want to look at these first. Just remember to use caution when you're getting on top of your mobile home that you're not creating more damage. I personally think a piece of plywood is a good idea to bring with you and to sit on when you're on top of a mobile home. You do not want to damage the metal by stepping in between a joist or something like that, and that could happen. So I'm not recommending that you go up on one of these things and just walk on a mobile home. This one here is secure with added plywood to it. But don't go up on your mobile home and walk around and just pick a spot to stand in. You won't be careful where you're walking. Other than that, these things are easy to replace.